How to customize lock screen in Squarespace. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to customize your lock screen in your Squarespace website. So it's gonna be very easy. First, you can go to squarespace.com and then log into your account. After that, you can choose the website you want to set the lock screen. And then on the left side, you can go ahead to settings here, and then you will be on the general settings, and then on the website you will see there is site availability. You can click it. After that, you have to change it to password protected, so this one. Then you can set the password, maybe 1 2 3 4 5 6, just for example, and then you can click save. And after that, go back to the home page, and then go to search box here, and then you can search lock screen, this one. And then as you can see, you have several layout here. You can just change layout here to choose the layout you want. So maybe this one, it's up to you. I would change this one maybe, or this one. It's up to you. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. I mean this one. Yeah, I think this is good. So yeah, you can just click save if you already choose the layout, and then go back. And now you can change the branding and text. So click it. Then you can choose to add logo or text. I'm gonna choose text, my store. And then for the headline, it's up to you. Maybe uh, we need verification code, just like that. And then you can choose the body text. It's up to you. VIP only. And yeah. And then if you want to display a locks icon, it will be like this, the lock icon. If you don't want it, you can just deactivate it. I'm gonna activate it, and then just click save. After that, go back to lock screen, and then you can choose the media if you want to add, image at the background. So let's say search image, maybe this one, just for example, add image, and then it will be in the background of the page, just like that. Or if you want to add a video, you can type the URL of the video, or you can upload the video. It's up to you. I'm gonna add, I like this one, so yeah, click save. After that, you can also change the style. So maybe you want to change the branding font color, headline body. And also you can auto overlay color if you want, or auto loading color. It's up to you. You can explore more. And then you can just, back, and yeah, it's done. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.